up, Roberti? Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to be doing a bird challenge. And what is the challenge?
The challenge is, who's that bird? You know,
Mystery bird guessing game.
Yep, just like who's that Pokemon?
Yes. So basically what's going to happen is both of us are going to be, well, one of us is going to be blindfolded while the other is going to present a bird to the person, and we only have to identify the bird based on the sounds that they make. We are not able to touch, we're not able to do anything, but you listen. So whoever gets the most right wins.
Alright, best out of 5.
Best out of 5.
Let's do it.
Okay, so each of us got our blindfolds here. Who's selecting what for who? And who's going first? I guess.
Alright, I'll bring the bird first.
Oh, you're gonna bring it? Okay.
Alright, let's do it. Alright, we have our first contender. And who do you think this is? Dun, dun. You have officially 15 seconds.
But what if the bird doesn't make any noise?
Okay, we'll add another 15 seconds.
Wait, where's the bird? Is it over here? Oh, that was totally Ion. That was Ion.
Alright, final answer, lock it in?
Final answer.
Lock it in! You sure you don't want to call a friend?
Nope.
You don't want to call a friend? Alright, no more hints? Alright, let's do it. Alright, unveil your mask and see who.
Oh,
It's blue!
oh man! Oh, man.
Alright, time to do my round. Alright, I can't see a thing. Gotta stretch for this. I thought you were coming. Yeah, it's rolling. Are you here? Finally. Oh. Ow.
Sorry.
Am I still in the frame?
Yes, you are.
Okay. It's kind of quiet. Kind of like a pinus type of. I think it's Magnus. Let's wait.
Is it?
Are you still here?
Is that your final answer?
It's not. Yeah, it is. Ah, Magnus. All right, that's 1 for me, 0 for you. I don't think it's at this one, to be honest. This bird has a very unique sound.
I already know who it is. I already know who it is.
How do you know?
Because it's Hookus. And Hookus is like the most clingiest bird ever. It's totally Hookus. And
Wait, don't you want to hear the voice? Aww. Alright, he's a little
a little shy. I know it's Hookus though. Told ya.
Yeah, you didn't even have to talk.
I knew from his little like.
Yeah. Alright, let's go to sleep. Just. Oh, man. Oh, okay, it's a cockatiel for sure. Now, the question is, if you do, vacuum, stop. All right. Oh man. Why is it starting again? Okay, anyways, P2 or... You know what? Very calm, not too scared, well-composed bird. It has like a chirp that's a little bit of a older cockatiel, not like a young, enthusiastic one. I think it's P2 because P2 is like 10 years old.
I think he's a little older, but yeah. He also
2 and 1. Alright, P2. Celebrate.
How am I losing?
I like this. It's like running on a red carpet. Alright.
Why did it sound like hookahs again? Oh. Oh, okay, this is Ion. This is Ion.
Alright, you don't want to call a friend?
Final answer. I know
Final
this
answer?
one's Ion.
Final, okay, alright. Reveal!
Ion! Yes! Finally.
Yeah, it's Ion.
Do the dino cry.
Dino!
Ah. I'm not sure if he's gonna make any movies.
Who is it? Oh, I'm not filming. I can't see anything. Hello?
You are, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Sorry. I'm focused on trying to.
Get who to talk.
I'm not seeing.
Ah, clever. Thought I would have got you. You sure it's a bird here?
There is a bird.
Yeah.
He is
Behind me.
Maybe he'll talk if he sees himself.
Original.
He doesn't want to talk. Based on sound alone.
I haven't heard a word.
He hasn't said anything.
Alright, I guess a random guess. It could be anybody, there's no sound.
One eternity later.
Okay, because he's not making any noise, I'll let him perch on me.
Oh, sure. Huh? Oh. Okay, not a budgie, not a cockatiel. A little bit heavier. It's kind of like Magnus's weight. Is it Magnus again? No? Alright,
Okay,
so.
have a look.
Oh!
It's Fuba!
Ah.
Fuba, the Indian ringneck.
Okay, alright, alright.
Is my arm like in the way or anything?
No, but I got it.
Oh,
I got actually.
don't let him out. He's gonna bite me. I'm pretty sure it's mango.
Say something. I can't say his name.
I'm pretty
I
sure.
told you his gender. So don't choose.
Okay, I'm pretty sure it's mango.
Alright.
Pretty sure it's
That
mango.
was a dead giveaway. You heard it.
Mango?
Yes. Mango!
Mango!
say his name like 4 times, but I stopped myself. Alright, so 2 and 2.
Alright, so seems like
It's a tiebreaker.
which we're not gonna use, but it just goes to show that